Hey guys, I'm Arfan. Welcome to this video. We are going to learn a lot in this video by solving a simple or maybe a tricky JavaScript question. Okay, they ask us write a function that takes an array of strings as argument and then return the longest string. Okay, it's really simple, but we can answer it in different ways. Some dummy answer could be like this. You simply just define a variable that we're supposed to assign or put the longest string on that, and then we return it. So we need to iterate over the array and see if each string on every index is the longest or not. If it was the longest, then we return it. Then we put it on the longest. If not, okay, so we have to remain on the last value of longest. So yeah, it's not really hard, so you can do it and works really fine. But we can solve this question better way, or maybe some professional and James Bondy like solutions. So you can just simply use reduce function. Reduce function is really amazing function that you can use it for arrays, and lots of developers afraid of this function, and it's not because it is hard. you know I believe it is because the tutorials not covering this function very well. So right now we can practice a little and find out how it's work, and you can see how you can solve this question super easy using reduce with really little or few amount of codes. Few lines of codes. Okay, so you can pass an arrow function to your reduce. So reduce is supposed to reduce the array and return you just a value. In this case, that value is the longest string inside the array. So we're supposed to return something from actually this arrow function. So as argument, we can pass three different things. First of all is accumulator. It's the value that after each iteration kind of save your result and then use it to next iteration. So it's something like a little memory. The next thing is the current, that you are currently, each time you iterate an array, current is equal to that index, that value that stored on that index. And the last thing is index, that we don't use index in this solution. We just need accumulator and current value. So we simply just do similar condition, that if we're faced to the longest string, we should put it on the accumulator. If not, we should don't change the value inside accumulator. Okay, so we just write accumulator dot length if higher than current dot length. What we have to do, we use inline condition here. So if accumulator is longer than current, we should just return accumulator. If not, if the current string is longer, so we should put current inside the accumulator. And then for the second argument in the reduce function, we can simply just pass the default or the initial value of accumulator. If we put something here such as a simple empty code, or I guess the first value of accumulator is equal to this. If not, the initial value of accumulator is just the value on the first index of array. So yeah, okay, we submit it, and yeah, that's really cool. And that's it. We're just simply find out a simple use case of reduce function in JavaScript. I hope you enjoy this. We are going to solve problems, especially in JavaScript, that let us be prepared for interview question, especially for front-end developer or all other careers that need to know JavaScript. So if you're not follow the channel, please do that, and I see you in the next challenge video, etc. Goodbye.